this matter seems to be a gray area. Pero ito pong pananaw ko. The position that the only exception to the rule of confidentiality of those records is kapag ang Congress, ang House, ay nag-request in aid of legislation, but subject to that limitation that it should be an executive session, actually renders our role in an impeachment case, in an impeachment proceedings, inferior to that role as a body with legislative functions. Because ours, when sitting here in an impeachment proceedings, is a special constitutional duty. So hindi po katanggap-tanggap sa akin ang sasabihin po ngayon ng the Honorable BIR Commissioner na babawiin na lang namin ang kahon na yan kasi nga hindi siya sakop sa exception, which is when mag-request in aid of legislation. When our role sitting in an impeachment proceedings is a special constitutional duty. It is superior to that as when we are acting merely as a legislative body. Yun po ang aking position. But of course, the issue of cautiousness is another matter. Kaya nga ho tinatawag kong gray matter po ito. Pero insulto po sa House through this committee in an impeachment proceedings na sasabihin na ito, dahil hindi ito in aid of legislation, ay hindi tayo sakop ng exception, even if hindi nakalagay sa batas. Tungkol lang yun sa pag-request. But sabi nga po ni Congressman Ridon, ay sabina po ito, hindi po ito ordinary request from the House of Representatives. So yun po ang aking posisyon.